Clouds are really starting to build up now across most Wales. Very few places, I think, escaping them through the rest of the day. This is the view across the London skyline, looking pretty threatening there out on the horizon. Wouldn't be at all surprised to see a flash of lightning coming out of the bottom of that cloud. In fact, we have heard some thunderstorms reported to the east of London just recently. We've got this area of low pressure becoming well established across the North Sea at the moment, pulling in increasingly cold air down across many parts of the British Isles, mainly across Scotland and Northern Ireland to start with, but spreading to all other areas as we go through tonight and into tomorrow. The strongest of the winds across the north and the west to begin with. We can see them spreading down into the North Sea once we go through into Tuesday. And in that breeze, it really is feeling quite chilly through this afternoon, especially in the west, where the winds are gusting up to around 50 miles an hour, perhaps even 60 miles an hour across parts of Northern Ireland and the northwest of Scotland. But showers really the story throughout the rest of the day. Times to give some longer spells of rain, perhaps across the Pennines into Wales. Hail and thunder possible just about anywhere. And the cloud brings rain, sleet and also eventually snow to the northeast of Scotland. Through tonight, we'll find the showers continuing across the north and the west particularly. Again, I think that increasing risk of snow across the high ground of Scotland. Some rain also finding its way down the east coast of England, but many central areas, I think, becoming dry and fairly clear. But even so, we should find temperatures keeping above freezing generally, I think, because of the strength of the wind, just once we get across northern England and up into Scotland, particularly, that we run that risk of seeing just a touch of frost. I think snows for the high ground of Northern Ireland, Scotland, perhaps even Northern England and Wales over the next 2 or 3 days as that gets progressively colder. This weather system coming through during tonight brings some fairly heavy rain to Northern Ireland. It's likely to turn to snow during the course of the day tomorrow and eventually down across into Wales as well. But a showery day again for all of us and turning pretty wet across southern parts of England. Bye-bye.